How do I create a playlist on Pandora?
Hello there. Are you looking to personalize your listening experience on Pandora? In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to create your very own playlist on Pandora. Whether you're trying to create a workout mix or a relaxing playlist for your evening, this easy-to-follow guide will have you up and running in no time.
What do you need beforehand?
Firstly, make sure you have an active Pandora account. You'll also need to have Pandora Premium, as playlist creation is not available on the free version of Pandora.
How to open Pandora and access your library?
Start by opening the Pandora app on your smartphone or navigating to the Pandora website on your computer's browser. Once you're in, log into your Pandora Premium account. Next, click on the My Collection or My Music tab located in the main navigation bar. This is where all your liked songs, albums, stations, and playlists are stored.
How to create a new playlist?
Now it's time to create a new playlist. Look for the Playlists tab within your collection, then click on the New Playlist button. A window will appear asking you to name your new playlist. Enter the name you wish to use and then click Save.
How to add songs to your playlist?
With your playlist created, it's now time to add songs. Navigate back to your collection, or use the search bar to find a song you want to add. Once you've found the song, click on the three dots beside the track. In the drop-down menu, select Add to Playlist, then choose the playlist you've just created. Repeat this process to add as many songs as you wish to your playlist.
How to edit your playlist?
Once you have added songs, you might want to rearrange them or remove certain tracks. To do this, go to your playlists, select the one you want to edit, and click the Edit button. Here you can rearrange the order of songs or remove any you no longer want. And that's it. You now know how to create a playlist on Pandora. Remember, it's all about personalizing your listening experience to your preference, so feel free to add, remove, and rearrange songs as much as you like. We hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy your music on Pandora.